Good morning, guys. So, today is Monday, a fresh day, and we are starting with a small, hopefully, a small gap up. So, okay, it seems like it's not a small gap up, it's kind of like a huge gap up. 16,151 is the level where we are opening in Nifty. Now, let's look at Bank Nifty. Okay, not a huge gap up over there, but this would be the level which I'm aiming for. Let's see if we get a directional move or not, because the news has already been discounted in the market. What has happened is crude has gone down, there is no doubt about it. Brent crude is trading at a level where we will be checking very shortly, but first let's check the important levels in Bank Nifty. If you are if you really want to take a trade over here, then I would recommend going for the buy if there is a small gap up. If there's a huge gap up, don't go for the buy. Okay, this would be the immediate resistance 35,009, which is also a really nice round figure. All right, just using the extra bits, and here we go. It's 9 9 and we are almost about to start. Let's see where it goes. This would be the important level 35,014. We are already starting at a level where actually it took a resistance previously. If you check, yeah, previously we did take a resistance right at this level itself, which is 34,841. This is the level where it took the resistance previously, and it's opening somewhere over there too. So very important point. Okay, it's opening a bit higher. It's opening at 34,842. So just checking a few things. Okay, Nifty, just a huge gap up in Nifty, which I can see. All right, guys, as I was saying, coming on to Brent crude, you can see that crude has gone down to $99, which is a positive news, no doubt about that. But the main thing is that will it sustain over there? Will we be able to see even a higher level in Nifty and Bank Nifty because of that? But obviously it has some positive news, but always it doesn't mean that it's positive, because if crude is going down, that means the demand for crude is also going down, because people have shortage of wealth, extra cash lying in their apartments or in their bank account. So we don't have that much of cash in these type of scenario, because your portfolio is down, you're losing a lot of wealth. Even um, many people have done SIP, and so many people, they don't have the patience to wait for their portfolio to turn to green. They actually go ahead and withdraw their money. So that is actually a really bad thing, guys. What happens in these scenarios is, when you withdraw the money and then you see the market, it's that point of time when the market actually goes up. And trust me, guys, patience is required, and you want to be investing in a bear market, you don't want to be investing in a bull market. So right now, just check the stream if everything is going fine or not. Mm, I hope that my sound is coming up and I'm not speaking to myself. Yep. Okay. Yeah, the sound is actually coming, and we are all good. We are all ready to get going over here. And again, we are checking the levels, guys. Huge gap up. I don't want you to go ahead and buy it over here. You can see previously we have taken a resistance exactly at that point, just opening above that. So I would recommend avoid the morning trade, okay, because whenever the market is going up in this scenario, the market is tending to go down. So if it sustains, okay, let the first candle go in. Let's check the premium first of all. 34,800 would be in the money option for all you bastards who have taken BTST trade and who have gone long, taken the risk. Congratulations to all. You're all in a profit, but be careful with that profit because it might just come down running. But initially, at least initially, I'm expecting a good momentum upwards, guys. Okay, 1 minute left for the market to open, and we are checking the price right away. Let's check 34,900 because it's opening over there right now. 245 is the price where it is opening. Okay, 34,900 again, it's opening at 245, but I think you won't be able to catch it at that price because of the gap up. Let's see now. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are open. 298, 300. Okay, it is a buy. It is a buy, and since it has opened above this level, but that's the risk. You have to buy it, and you won't be getting that much of a point. See, it's taking a resistance exactly at that point. It has to break that point, guys. It has to break that point. 34,900 C is trading at 314. Remember, it was a buy, and we got 15 points, 16, 17. It's better to get out of this scenario because of the huge gap. If you are in a profit, get out with 15 points right now. Later you can trade in the day. Okay, if you are in a profit, get out with 15 points. I know some of you have bought because see, it was a clear buy over here, as I had mentioned. The morning trade is the trade when you want to be the trade which you want to be taking, but the only risk is that if you are entering the morning trade, you will have to go with the market order because you won't be able to catch it. 327, it made a high of 328 right now, 329, and it's going up as expected. As expected, guys, some amount of buying pressure would be there, but you can see that time is going, the decay is happening really fast, so I don't think that you will be able to square off your position at that level. So right now, let's just check. It's actually at point 0.7. So can we aim for 1%? It's difficult. Let's check Nifty once. Oh my god. Guys, opening at highly risky levels. Okay, it's not a recommendation to buy right now, not a recommendation to sell. I would recommend wait for the market to settle down, wait for it to catch a clear pattern, and then only we will be trading based on the price action. We would not be trading based on the just the hype. The morning candle is always the hype candle. But yeah, see, that is the problem, guys. 16,200 is the was the level. Okay, exactly at 16,200 it has taken a resistance, and now it's going down. So have to wait. But yeah, all of the people who have bought 34,900, see, I believe you are at a profit of somewhere 10-20 points, not more than that, and highly recommended to get out of the position right now because might be too late. You never know. Let the market give us an opportunity. We will go and grab it. Okay, we will just not jump into a trade, but I know some people, they want to capture the morning momentum. The morning momentum is also nice. Obviously it has a lot of capabilities, it has a lot of power, but there's a high amount of risk. If you are not well accustomed to square off your position, then obviously you would be risking a lot. All right, guys. Premium decay is happening right now. Oh, sorry. In the morning, we also experience some amount of premium decay, no doubt about it. But the market is slow like this, then obviously, guys, you will be experiencing a lot of premium decay. Banknifty is at 0.68. There's a difference, although with the gap up which happened previously and with the gap up which happened this time around. Only this time around it had closed above that level, which indicates that the market is slightly strong but not that strong. Okay, huge green candle. So all those traders who are trading based on price action, this is not the territory where you actually want to get into. You want to be waiting for the further price actions later in the day. We are sure to get a good trade. Okay, now will we see this happening? Will we see this happening? Will we see a repetition of the future? Yes. Is it happening? You have to wait. You have to wait until it gives in. Yes, it's giving in, and will there be a gap filling? Guys, high chances there might be a gap filling. Have to wait. If you're taking a short trade right now, if you are taking a short trade, let's see. Right now, if you are taking a short trade, then this would be your stop loss. Keep it small. If you are taking a short trade, this would be your stop loss, and this can be your target. Okay, initially this would be your target, 34,800. Did it reach 35,000? No, it did not reach 35,000. But yeah, I'm just saying, if you are short bias over here, because it's happening exactly like the way it has happened previously. So yeah, if you are short bias, then it's up to you. But it's better right now, don't trade, don't take a short trade, don't take a long trade. uh, since it has broken the previous high, there might be chances of it going down. So if it does not come down, you should exit, guys. You should exit. And like, every time history won't repeat itself, every time you won't get an easy trade. You'll have to keep that in mind. See, it's sustaining, so better not to take a trade. If you are a risky trader, this would be your stop loss. This is a really small stop loss of 39. Yeah, 39 points. But you have to take it over here. You have to initiate the trade. You have to sell at a higher level, buy at a support. That is the mantra or the formula, whatever you call, for trading in these type of market, where the market scenario is not that positive, where inflation is at a higher level. If you are not sure of your position, see, if you have taken a trade over here, a short trade, you're not sure of your position, better to get out of the profit and not to trade. And all the people who are shorting options, I would recommend short 35,000 CE, okay, or 35,100, because this is a really important level and the market is sure to go down I mean, not sure, but yeah, you. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. If you are, if you don't want to take too much of risk, I would recommend exit your position at this level if it comes down. Okay, because every time the market won't repeat itself. You will have to understand that. If you have taken a position over here, better you exit at this point. Key difference between these two candles is that the red candle which we got was a really strong one, but today we are actually not getting anything. So gap up might actually indicate that there is a volatile scenario which can take place in the market, highly volatile scenario, and this is the level again where it will be taking a support, because previously it had taken a resistance over there. Now this becomes a support. Okay, you are at a profit of 50 points right now if you have taken the short trade, which was also not recommended, mind you. But if you have taken and you are greedy, then that's a different story. Better you exit at this point. Okay, getting 20 or 30 points. And Nifty also taking a support at 16,171, which is not good, guys. The gap up which actually happened is not sustainable, to be honest. This is something which is not sustainable in this type of market. Again, no one knows what will happen in the market. We are all operating at some amount of probability, but you have to take those trades which have a high chance of winning. Breaking this support would indicate a weakness in Nifty, and that will help to bring Bank Nifty down as well and to achieve our target. Okay, so you can see that now it has broken this level. Again, all those traders who are holding the position over here, okay, better you right now exit at this spot, exit half quantity at least, and then you trail it to cost. You have to trail it to cost, and at least we have achieved our first target in the morning itself. It was a really easy target. I had told you to wait, and yeah, in Bank Nifty at least we had achieved the target. Nifty is giving a breakdown. Remember, these levels are not sustainable, guys. Not at all sustainable. See, I told you, I had already warned you that exit from your position if you have taken a position at this spot, because history doesn't always repeat itself. Trail it to cost, whatever profit you got with half quantity, that's fine. Hold the other half of the quantity. That is the best solution right now which you have. Just going to, I guess I didn't send the link to my Telegram channel, but yeah, going to send the link also. And I hope you have exited at this spot. Nifty still has a huge gap to fill up, guys. Everyone is taking the gap fill up trade. You will have to understand that this can also be an a very important thing, because if everyone is selling, then definitely there would be some selling pressure. Okay, but everyone can't make money out of this scenario. Would be wiped clean of the market, and then only you will see that the market is going up. Quite sure that it would bounce from here. It's coming down beautifully. These scenarios are actually the point where you learn everything in the market is not only based on technical analysis. There are something which you have to consider, like fundamentals. Is the sentiment good? Is the market condition good? You have to understand those things. Really sorry for the construction going on inside. It's bothering, I know, but yeah, as I was saying, that sometimes you do have to consider the fundamentals, because fundamentals play a very important role in the market. No doubt it was a buy. We got 20 points in the buy. Now we are in the selling side, and we had also achieved our target in the selling side. So we got our target 20 points in the buying side, and we got our target more than, I would say, more than 40 points in the money option. So that's 60 points in the morning itself. Why am I saying these things? Because I know that the market would be volatile because of the huge gap up, and these gap up usually they don't sustain in the market. See, that's why I had asked you to exit. It's risky. If you're holding, that's okay. But first target has been achieved, guys. It has taken a proper reset from these levels. Opened with a gap up, went up, then it went down. Proper reset. If you are long bias, then yeah, you can take a buy trade. But we had taken a short trade, and our target is achieved because we kept the target really small. Now trail to cost, and if we lose anything from here, then we will be losing not much. We would just be losing, actually we'd be not losing anything because it's set to cost. Okay, so Nifty is showing us strength from these levels, 16,171, which I had mentioned. As you can see, this line also has been drawn perfectly exactly at this spot. All right, we have entered into the negative territory, or are we in the? Yeah, we are minus 2 points. So it has hit your trailing stop loss, and you are out of the market. Okay, now it's time to wait, because obviously, guys, you have to understand the market won't repeat itself every time. History won't repeat itself, and see. Okay, so yeah, that was our target. First target has already been achieved today, and the rest, the remaining quantity, we got hit with our trailing stop loss, and Now it's better that you wait. The market would slow down from here, so shorting options would be the best option for us at this moment. 35, once it crosses 35,000, we can see some amount of buying pressure as well, guys. So it's looking highly bullish with this candle. If it sustains, then again we would be seeing some higher amount of levels in Bank Nifty. It was a proper retest of that support at 34,850 level, a proper reset, and I expected that too, because if you go behind and you check, this was the point where it had taken a resistance and gone down. Okay, Nifty trying to sustain above 16,100 levels, but again, if we break 16,000 by this week, we would be able to see a good downfall, right? All right, guys, it looks like it might be a bullish day today. Okay, but bullishness not in buying options, but shorting options instead. Shorting out of the money, not out of the money, not that out of the money, I would say, but some out of the money puts would be a safer bet right now. You would be getting the advantage of time decay. Okay, still waiting, guys, for a good trade. Okay, remember to short out of the money put. You can short these puts over here. 34,800 can be shorted. These puts can be shorted, and please understand the logic behind shorting the put options, because we are expecting a slow momentum right now. We are expecting an upper side momentum right now. Difficult for a gap filling to happen today. I know that's what everyone expects, but that's not what the market will provide you. Remember that the market always surprises, and now we are seeing a volatile scenario. Okay. This is something which is expected, guys. That's why I have told you, better your short put option. A clear bearishness in Nifty, okay, but we would be seeing a good momentum once it breaks 16,142 levels. At that level, at that point only, will we be able to see a good momentum, not before that.